Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Since Luna 20 years old, Wala Limpopo was sentenced to life in prison for hiring bandu ukuthi badelete babu wakhe back in 2023. The Polokwane High Court lapha eLimpopo has sentenced Mologadi Magdalene Mehlape, Luna 28, to life in prison after pleaded guilty to the brutal murder of her father, Dr. Malikutu Johannes Mehlape, who was a circuit manager at the Limpopo Department of Education. Lokhu kwendeka ngoDecember 2023. La kuhlala khona the deceased in Mankweni Zone 1 outside Njena iPolokwane. So waherisha abantu ugele kokuthi banqume babu wakhe after kuqeda kushona makwakhe. This is after ugele aye kuconsulta kusangoma. Sangoma samtshela ukuthi hey wena umlobulele makwakho ngibabu wakho. So bazama ke ukuthi bamsuse Dr. Malikutu using traditional magic, and it didn't work. Kuthe makungasebenzi lokho ugele waqasha abantu ukuthi banqume babu wakhe bamgagaga lapha ekhaya lakhe 3 times wa delayed same time. So pleaded guilty for deleting babu wakhe, because atshelela abantu ukuthi she was gonna pay them 200,000 ukuthi badelete babu wakhe. Just imagine uyatuwa sangoma sikutshele ukuthi babu wakho nguye lobulele makwakho, and then when you just decide ukuthi usithembe leso sangoma leso and you decide ukuthi vele wena umdelete babu wakho. Ngisho noma ngabe wona nababakho beningavani kangakanani, but you cannot just trust the person ukuthi bathi nisibani nangu delete sibani, then when you just take matters into your own hands. Hebana. So ugirl bamgwebile it life in prison, future gone, and ushiye mntwana lona 21 months old. Imagine loyo mntwana loyo soyokhula without a mom, because ugirl udecide kwenda into ngendlela lengekho right. So everyone is just shocked. Everyone's just talking about the story salo girl kokuthi hebana bantu obadenda tinto letithusa ke emhlabeni, bantu badenda tinto lesicabanga ukuthi bantu abahlali baticabange, but bantu batiqabanga. Killing your own father because isangoma sikutshele ukuthi baba kho nguyelo bulele makwakho. Doesn't make sense, man. It really doesn't make sense. When I decided ukuthi usithembe leso sangoma leso, I mean isangoma vele masikutshela ukuthi uloya umuntu asasikhulumi ngemuntu osekutseni, situkutshela ngamakhelwane, ngamzala, ngamalume, yabo, because labantu labo baduze nawo. Singitshela ngemuntu lose America, matala kuphi umuntu ose America. So ugirl future gone because udecide kuthatha umthetho awubeke nje etandleni takhe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.